Welcome back to Manufacturing in America. I'm Tony Diebold, President of Stronghold, and I'm here to talk about what everyone else is talking about, the coronavirus. We're facing a global pandemic and the world is quickly changing around us. While many companies are being forced to shut down to help slow the spread of the silent enemy, manufacturing companies across the nation are stepping up to supply the increased demand of essential products. Here at Stronghold, we're ready to support that demand in a safe and healthy way. We continue to provide storage solutions for companies across the U.S. so they can protect their tools and equipment during a time when protection is crucial. It's not easy to turn a manufacturing company into a no-contact space, but when the coronavirus strikes, we strike back.
So what we're doing in the Weld Department right now is kind of making sure in all our booths that we stay in our booth and we don't have to borrow another tool. If we do, we're currently kind of just laying it down, letting the next guy come in. On the press brake, we weren't able to keep the 6 feet distance when we bend our doors on the short end. So what we did was we made a little bar, test run it and see if it would work. It did, and we added a couple extra things to it, like some handles and some sticky mat, so it actually holds it so the door doesn't slide back and forth. And this way, 2 guys can do it without getting hurt or worn out, and we're also maintaining our 6 feet the whole time.
You know, a couple of things we're doing to not spread this COVID-19 amongst our employees is, firstly, we've mandated washing your hands when you enter the building in the employee entrance. The other thing we're doing is we're practicing social distancing during our breaks. So we're keeping everybody 6 feet apart. Also, we've staggered our breaks in the morning, our lunches, and our late breaks, so we don't have 50 or 60 people in the lunchroom at the same time. Lastly, you see, we're trying to sanitize and clean the tables, the chairs, the soda machines, snack machines, microwaves, door handles. So these are a few things we've done to keep our employees safe, yet still be efficient and produce the product that we need to produce.
From all of us here at Stronghold, thank you for continuing to fight against the coronavirus. We're in this together. We'll see you next time on Manufacturing in America.